Inviting patios, walkways, and driveways. Patio, walkway, and/or driveway installation services offer property owners a valuable opportunity to create inviting and functional outdoor living spaces. These services typically involve the design, material selection, and construction of patios tailored to the specific needs and preferences of the client. Professional installers can provide guidance on factors such as patio size, layout, and material options, taking into account the existing landscape, architectural style, and intended use of the space. These services often include considerations for proper drainage, site preparation, and compliance with local building codes and regulations to ensure a structurally sound and visually appealing end result. By engaging with experienced patio installation services, individuals can transform their outdoor areas into versatile extensions of their living spaces, ideal for relaxation, entertainment, and social gatherings. Call us for a free consultation